In this video, again we continue maxima and minima, exercise 6.5. This is question number 26. Show that semi-vertical angle of right circular cone. Semi-vertical angle of right circular cone of given surface area. In this question, we have given surface area and we have to prove that the volume is maximum, and also we have to prove that semi-vertical angle is sine inverse 1/3. This is the cone. This is height, radius and depth, and this is semi-vertical angle alpha. So in this question we have given surface area, and surface area of cone. Surface area of cone S equals to pi r L plus pi r square. Now we eliminate the value of L. So S minus pi r square equals to pi r L, and L equals to S minus pi r square upon pi r. We eliminate L, slant height. Then we have to find the volume maximum. Write down the formula for volume of cone 1/3 pi r square h, and h can be written h. H can be written h under root of L square minus r square. Now remove the square root by squaring both sides. So b square and let it equals to z. 1/3 the whole square, 1/9 pi square r raised to the power 4, and L square minus r square. So b square equals to z, 1/9 pi square r4 L square minus r square. Now we put the value of L from first. So we have supposed b square equals to z. So z equals to pi square r raised to the power 4 upon 9, and the value of L square. So S minus pi r square upon pi r the whole square minus r square. Now we solve the term. So pi square r4 upon 9, and this will be expanded on the formula a minus b the whole square, 1 upon pi square r square, and a minus b the whole square we expand. So s square minus 2 pi s r square and plus pi square r raised to the power 4 and minus r square. Then pi square upon pi square r square. We take LCM. So pi square r raised to the power 4 upon 9. From whole term we will take LCM, pi square r square. So s square minus 2 pi s r square plus pi square r4 minus pi square r raised to the power 4. This and this gets cancelled. Pi square cancelled, and we get z equals to r square, and r square also cancelled. So we get 1/9, and the r square is multiplied inside. So r square is a square minus 2 pi s and r raised to the power 4. This is the value of z. Now we will differentiate with respect to r, because the surface area S is given, so we will have to differentiate with respect to r. So we find dz by dr. So 1 by 9 differentiation of r square is 2r. So 2r s square minus differentiation of r4 is 4 into r raised to the power 3. So 4 into 2, 8 pi s r raised to the power 3. Now make dz by dr equals to 0. So 2r s square minus 8 pi s r cube equals to 0, and 2r s square equals to 8 pi s r cube. 2r s square equals to 8 pi r s cube, and we find the value of s. So 2 4 ja 8, it gives s. So r equals to s 2r s square. So we get r equals to 4 we take s as common, 2s as common. So it comes r s minus 4 pi and r cube equals to 0. This 2s becomes 0. So r s minus 4 pi r cube equals to 0. Again r is taken common. So s minus 4 pi r square equals to 0. This r again comes to the 0. So s equals to 4 pi r square. We get the value of s, 4 pi r square. The value of s, 4 pi r square. Now we differentiate again d2z by dr square. d2z by dr square. So 1 by 9, and differentiation of r is 1. So it comes 2s square minus differentiation of r cube 3r square, 3 into 8, 24 pi s r square, and the value of s is 4 pi r square. The value of s is 4 pi r square. So 1 by 9, 2s square minus 24 pi s r square. We put the value of s. S equals to 4 pi r square. So 1 by 9, 2 into s square, 16 pi square r raised to the power 4 minus 24 pi. The value of s is 4 pi r square into r square. Then 1 by 9, 16 into 2, 32 pi square r4 minus 24 into 4, 96 pi square and r raised to the power 4. And we get minus of 64 pi square r raised to the power 4. So minus 64 by 9 pi square r raised to the power 4, which is less than 0. So double derivative is less than 0 means maximum volume. It has maximum volume. Now we have proved that the volume is maximum. Now from equation number first. From first, the value of L is S minus pi r square, and the value of S is 4 pi r square. So L equals to S minus pi r square upon pi r. Put the value of S. So 4 pi r square minus pi r square upon pi r. It comes 3 pi r square upon pi r. Pi cancel, r cancel. So L equals to 3r. We get the value of L equals to 3r. Now from triangle, in triangle AOC, the value of sin alpha. Sin alpha perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So r upon L. The value of L is 3r. R and r gets cancelled. And it comes 1 by 3. Sin alpha equals to 1 by 3. It means alpha equals to sin inverse 1 by 3. So the semi-vertical angle comes to be sin inverse 1 by 3. Now let us see question number 27. Question number 27. The point on the curve x square equals to 2y. The point on the curve x square equals to 2y. The point of the curve x square equals to 2y, which is nearest to the point, which is nearest to the point, which is nearest to the point 0, 5. We have to find our point on the curve x square equals to 2y. Equation of curve is given, and we have to find point on the curve which is nearest to the given point 0, 5. So let Pxy be any point on the curve. Px, y be any point on the curve. And the point which we have given 0, 5, let this point is 0, 5, which we have given nearest to the point 0, 5. Then we find PA square, distance PA square, using distance formula x minus 0 the whole square plus y minus 5 the whole square. We use distance formula for finding the distance PA square, and let it PA square is b. So it comes x square plus, this will be expanded on the form a square minus 2ab plus b square. Now we have given x square equals to 2y. The value of x square, the curve is given x square equals to 2y. So we put the value of x square equals to 2y in this expression. So we get 2y plus y square minus 10y plus 25. And d equals to y square minus 8y and plus 25. We get the expression for d. Now we will differentiate with respect to y. For maxima or minima, nearest point means we have to prove the minimum value. So dd upon dy equals to 2y minus 8 and make it equals to 0. dd upon dy equals to 0. So 2y minus 8 equals to 0. And we get the value of y equals to 4. Now double differentiation. So d2d by dy square. And differentiation of 2y is 2 and differentiation of 8 is 0. So double derivatives is greater than 0. It means the point is nearest. The point is nearest. So first thing we have to prove that the point is nearest, and now we have to find the point. The value of y is 4. So x square equals to 2y. We have given the curve, put the value of y. The value of y is 4. So x square equals to 8 and x equals to under root of 2 root 2 plus minus 2 root 2. The square root of 8 is 2 root 2. So the value we get, the option we have 2 root 2 comma 4. The value of x 2 root 2 and the value of y is 4. So the correct option is A. A is the correct option. The value of x is 2 root 2 and the value of y is 4. Question number 28. For all real values of x. For all real values of x. For all real values of x, the minimum value of the minimum value of 1 minus x plus x square upon 1 plus x square. We have to find the minimum value of this expression. So let y equals to x square minus x plus y upon x square plus x plus y. We differentiate for maximum or minimum dy by dx on u by v. So v as it is and d by dx of u 2x minus y minus u as it is and d by dx of v 2x plus y upon v square x square plus x plus 1 the whole square. Remove the bracket. So x square multiplied by both the terms 2x cube minus x square plus 2x square minus x plus 2x minus 1 minus, remove this bracket. So 2x cube plus x square minus 2x square and minus x plus 2x and plus 1 and upon x square plus x plus 1 the whole square. Now 2x cube, 2x square minus x square plus x square, 2x minus x plus x minus 1 minus 2x cube plus x square minus 2x square minus x square minus minus plus x square, 2x minus x plus x and minus plus minus minus and then minus 1 upon x square plus x plus 1 the whole square. So we get 2x cube and 2x cube cancelled plus x minus x cancelled. So dy by dx equals to x square plus x square, 2x square minus 2 upon x square plus x plus 1 the whole square. This is the value of dy by dx. And for maxima or minima, we make dy by dx equals to 0. So this implies this becomes 0 and 2x square minus 2 equals to 0. 2 is taken common, x square minus 1 equals to 0, x square equals to 1 and x equals to plus minus 1. Now put the value of, now make double differentiation, double derivatives. So double derivatives, it will be differentiated again on the form u by d. So double derivatives d2y by dx square, d2y by dx square. We additive, so x square plus x plus 1 the whole square and differentiation of 2x square is 4x minus u additive 2x square minus 2 and differentiation of b is 2 times of x square plus x plus 1 and 2x plus 1 upon b the whole square. So x square plus x plus 1 raised to the power 4. So put the value of x equals to 1 and x equals to 1. We get 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3 the whole square 9, 9 into 4, 36. Minus x, the value of x is 1, so 2 minus 2 0, whole term becomes 0 and 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3 the whole square, 3 the power 4, so this is 81. So which is greater than 0, it means it has minimum value at x equals to 1. Now put the value of x equals to 1 in the curve. So y equals to x square minus x plus 1 upon x square plus x plus 1. So at x equals to 1, we get the value of y. 1 minus 1, 0. It gives 1 upon 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3. So the point is 1 comma 1 by 3. The option is for here was the minimum value. The minimum value we had to find. The minimum value of y we have calculated 1 by 3. The minimum value of y is 1 by 3. Now question number 29. This is similar question. So we have completed this exercise. In next video we will see questions from miscellaneous exercise chapter number 6. from next video.